You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting and important word to know if you're visiting Italy or learning Italian. It means kiss. So how do you say a kiss in Italian? Bacio. Alright, so let's break it down. Ba, that's, you stress on that first ba syllable. Then the I there is just to indicate that the C is pronounced like ch in front of the O, because if the I wasn't there, it would be ke, bacco, okay? So the I is just there to soften the C if you wish. There's no proper E sound or I sound, bacio, alright? So the C is pronounced CH, so you could spell it B-A-C-H-O, okay? Bacio, bacio is how you say kiss in Italian, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.